Greetings and thanks for watching before class. We are still looking at societal trends and patterns, and this week we are going to be looking at deviance. So it should be fun. So let's look at what is deviant and what is it just deviant or odd behavior. So smoking, is that deviant to you? Yes or no? Eating fast food, speeding, there's lots of levels of deviance. Click next and see what your results say. So let's look at the types of deviance. We often think about deviance as bad behavior, but it's not just bad behavior. It can be odd behavior and others. Also, the purpose that deviance plays in our society, believe it or not, it helps to create societal boundaries and norms. And then I want you to look at the types of theories associated with deviance, okay? Like the labeling theory. Watch this video, I'll explain it for all of our visual learners, and have a look at the history of tattoos. Once upon a time, tattoos were considered very deviant, and there's all sorts of deviations. So your school has a code of conduct. Pull that up and have a look, read over it. What is a section of the code of conduct? Bring that to your group discussion this week and let us know what's going well at your school. And what do you believe is not being followed? But remember, we don't want to hear about any names or anything that could get anybody in trouble. So let's just keep it. What's the right word? Keep names and identifying features out of the posts. All right, so come on down and look at this video. I don't know if you've seen it before. Free hugs, the blind trust experiment. This is a type of positive deviance to create positive change. And you're going to complete your first sociological field study, acts of positive or odd deviance. Now remember, we're not asking you to conduct and we're not condoning any acts of violence or anything illegal. That's not the type of deviance we're looking for. We're looking for silly, odd, complimenting a stranger or buying them a cup of coffee. These are what we would consider something that would be a type of positive or odd deviance, okay? Here is your outline for the assignment, and I've created an awesome little graphic organizer for acts of positive deviance. You're going to create a field study report, okay? And you're going to have your section called proposal, and this is what it's going to consist of: action plan, approval. Make sure you're getting your idea approved by me, subject line, plan for positive deviance, okay? Looking for approval, you're going to collect data. This is an example of a chart that you can use and how you can use it. And then you're going to let me know, did your plan go as planned? What was your reflection?
They'll have it rated.
I'm just filming the end of a quick video. Is that okay? Huh? Okay, and I'll be like,
actually move.
No, yeah, it's up to you. I'll just be like 3 more minutes, hopefully. Okay. And like all good field reports, you want to have next steps. So what would you do differently? So if your active positive deviance was giving a smile or a compliment to a stranger, maybe a high five. See if you're going to get a more noticeable reaction. And don't forget to cite your work, especially when citing your theories and why you chose the type of behavior and deviance that you chose. And then you're going to pop that into your discussions and have a look at what your classmates did and create positive remarks for all of those that shared. Looking forward to this assignment. I love this assignment.